Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to use Capital One Credit in 2025. Whether you're new to credit cards or a seasoned user, this guide will help you navigate Capital One's features like a pro. Let's dive in. First off, what is Capital One Credit? It's a flexible credit card offered by Capital One that lets you borrow money up to your approved limit and earn rewards on purchases. In 2025, Capital One has upgraded its platform with AI-driven tools for better personalization and faster transactions, making it easier than ever to manage your finances. Step 1. Getting started. If you don't have a card yet, visit the Capital One website or download their app. You'll need to fill out a quick application with details like your name, address, income, and credit history. Thanks to 2025 updates, approvals are now quicker, often within minutes, and the process is more user-friendly with guided prompts. Once you're approved, using your card is straightforward. Swipe, tap, or use the virtual card for online shopping, just like any other credit card. But here's where Capital One shines. Track your spending in real time through the app. Set budgets, categorize expenses, and get alerts to stay on top of your finances. Now, let's talk rewards. Depending on your card type, you can earn cashback, miles, or points on everyday purchases. In 2025, Capital One has expanded reward categories, including bonuses for eco-friendly buys and digital subscriptions. Redeem them easily for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. It's a great way to save money. Security is a big priority. Capital One offers advanced features like fraud monitoring, instant card freezing, and biometric login. Always monitor your statements and report any suspicious activity immediately to protect your account. Finally, remember to use credit responsibly. Pay your balance on time to avoid interest and build your credit score. If you're ever in doubt, Capital One's customer support is top-notch, with 24/7 chat options. That's it for today's video. We hope this helps you make the most of your Capital One credit card in 2025. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.